Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is the Credit Hype. So what we're going to be going over today is how to start a credit repair business and make over $3,000 per month or more. So I actually started my own credit repair company with my business partner Roger, and our company is called My Credit Caffeine. You can search it up. So we went ahead and started making over $3,000 per month in the first few months, and it allowed me to quit my 9 to 5 job. Now I actually get to focus on the things that I actually like to do, like blogging, creating YouTube videos, and also focus on credit repair marketing, which is what I'm good at. And I want to go over how to start a credit repair business so you guys can also do the same for yourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and go over my screen and we'll go over it together. So we're on my computer screen now. And before I continue, I just want to let you guys know to go ahead and leave a like, smash the like button for me because I want to go ahead and keep continuing and make these videos for you and give you guys as much value as possible. So let's going to get started. I'm going to go over the presentation. Trust me, it's not boring. I'm going to be providing you guys with a lot of good information on how to start a credit repair business. All right, guys. So starting a credit repair business in 2021 or even 2022, it's going to be really important. And I want to show you guys how you guys can start a profitable credit repair business and do it fast. So again, my name is Eddie. My business partner, Roger, he's on the left side of me, of course. And I used to be in the military. I got out after 6 years, and honestly, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I did work in a little bit of finance in regards to like student loans, helping people consolidate their debt and other things like that. So I met my business partner Roger during that time, and we were pretty excited because I came up with the idea of helping people fix their credit. I was tired of seeing people get abused from the actual system and wanting people to actually be able to afford and refinance their home, purchase their first car because I was in the same situation. So yeah, on the right side of me, we made our own shirts for our company. I Fix Credit. So we did get a lot of publicity when we started doing real good marketing. But yeah, you guys can look us up. My company is My Credit Caffeine, and we've been in business since the beginning of 2020. So there's a few benefits to starting a credit repair company. And I'm going to be providing you guys this presentation in the link below so you guys can kind of follow along or just keep it for yourselves. So what's the real benefit of starting a credit repair company? Well, the goal is to help consumers get out of debt, which is either negative or incorrect. So important things to follow before you start your credit repair business is you're going to want to know the credit repair laws, and that's going to be CROA, Credit Repair Organizations Act, and as well as the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So I'm going to be linking those information in the bottom of the description so you guys can actually review it, learn about it, and it is on the FTC. It's something that's really important to understand before and during you start your credit repair company. Now, credit repair surety bond, that's something that is going to be protecting your clients if any kind of possible damage happens during the result of the credit repair. So you're going to want to make sure that you have that filed for your business. And the next thing is you're going to want to register your credit repair company. So registering for your credit repair company, that's actually getting an LLC or being a DBA like in California. We filed an LLC, which allowed us to get our business bank, which is the next step. You're going to want to get approved for a bank that offers credit repair because a lot of companies and a lot of banks see that as a high risk business. Yeah, it sucks, but at the end of the day, it's important to have a business bank so you can get your funds placed in there. So I wanted to give you guys a few different banks that approve credit repair from the groups that I'm in, and the one that we have is Wells Fargo. But other banks that you guys can go into would be Schools First Credit Union, Navy Federal Credit Union, Bank of America, BBVA, Regions Bank, and SunTrust. So those are just a few banks that you guys can use to get approved. Now, how much money can you actually earn in credit repair? So again, like we stated, I was able to make $3,000 in the first few months of our credit repair business, and that was all through referral and Facebook ads, also a little bit of Instagram. But I want to go over that information with you guys so you guys can understand how much we are actually making in our credit repair company. So let's go ahead and go over to the credit repair calculator, and I can show you guys how much you guys can possibly make with this calculator. All right, cool. So now we're at the credit repair calculator, and this is provided by Credit Repair Cloud. Um, Daniel Rosen is the founder of this company, but I'm going to show you the calculator and give you the stats on how to money you can actually make in this business. So it's actually pretty cool. I'm also going to link it in the description so you guys can follow along as well or play around with it. All right. So basically, if you get 30 clients and you charge a fee of $99, that averages out to $3,000 per month. Um, and yeah, that we didn't actually get that in the first month. It took us 3 months to get our first 30 paid clients, only because our first 10 clients we did not charge one penny for. We actually offered free services because we wanted to give the actual results and get testimonials before we started doing paid ads or linking to our company and charging people per month. So that's just a quick little tip for you guys. I would recommend that you do get your first few clients for free. Give them the best service you could ever provide, and then ask for a testimonial when you start seeing the results. So yeah, here's a little projected revenue. If you keep that up for the next 2 years, you can make up to $47,000 per month on the average with the churn rate of 3%, which is how many cancellations you could possibly get. But as you can see, in the first month of January, it's about $2,970. We'll just say 3K. And then if you get another 30 clients, you'd be making $5,900 a month, and then so on. So that's the power of credit repair and starting a credit repair business, and that's how much you could possibly make. But again, a quick tip, you guys: get your first clients for free. Help them review their credit report, send out the letters, give them as much information as you possibly can, and then when they receive their results, make sure you take a screenshot, save it for your files, so you guys can use that for your advertisement, or even just free search engines. All right, guys, perfect. All right. So even though the credit repair business industry, it's not it's regulated, but there's no certification or degree that you need in order to start this business. But that doesn't mean that you guys should be prepared and still get some kind of certifications for like disputing and different tactics like that. So I'm gonna be going over that just right now and let you guys know what I actually took and the programs that helped me start my credit repair business. So let's go ahead and look at this right now. So I first initially found out about the Credit Hero Challenge from Daniel Rosen because I was invested in looking into different softwares to use to automate the process, and I use Credit Repair Cloud as my CRM system and sending out my disputes. But basically, I took the Credit Hero Challenge first, and it was $47. The program was great. It allowed me to initially understand how the dispute process works. It is a 14-day credit repair business training program to help you start your business. Now, again, this was the first training that I ever took to start my credit repair company. And the great thing about it is that it does come included with 3 certifications, and that would be your advanced disputing certification, credit repair business startup, and also the software certification. So you guys can use that, show it to your clients, when you work with them. Now, I also wanted to provide you guys with that free credit repair workshop from Credit Repair Cloud. It's about an hour of training of how to start, grow, and scale your credit repair business. It's completely free, and you guys can watch that as many times as you want. I did too. But again, the Credit Hero Challenge is what really helped me. But I hope I am providing you guys with a lot of value during this course or video. So, what's the credit repair software that I actually use? Um, we use Credit Repair Cloud in our company. Now, there's hundreds of different credit repair softwares. I know that there is DisputeBee, which we've used before. There's also Credit Letters Generator, which is pretty popular as well. It's more affordable, but we wanted to go with Credit Repair Cloud because obviously we took the Credit Hero Challenge. We were already in love with the product and the brand. So Daniel Rosen, he has a lot of credit repair experts in the company, and that's exactly why we stayed with it. But when you guys use my link, uh, you guys do get a 30-day free trial and awesome stuff for you guys to go ahead and start, actually working with clients completely for free. So that's what we did. The first 30 days, we got about 5 to 10 clients completely for free, and we sent out the dispute letters and everything included in that 30-day free trial. So that's what we did. This credit repair software, it allows you to automate and send out the dispute letters for your credit repair business. So that's really powerful when you know that you can work on a client in 30 minutes per month and still make $99 per client. So, another thing that we're going to go over is how to advertise your credit repair business. Now, we did this in three different ways. So, the first way we did was through first, actually, credit repair ads. So, we started running Facebook and Instagram ads to gain more reputation on our pages. And then that allowed us to get more appointment signups because people were seeing us as an authority in our local area. And we're from California, Orange County. Then we started getting affiliates, and we started doing that from Instagram and also Facebook. So we would go into Facebook groups and let people know that we are a credit repair company. We like to partner with loan officers. We like to partner with car dealerships, and people were actually messaging us to ask about our services so they could partner up with us and get more clients. Now, the last thing that we started doing, which is actually what we're focusing more on now, is the Instagram marketing. So, of course, as you may know, Instagram is a very powerful social media app to gain trust with your potential clients. Now, we use Instagram every day to message affiliates and get more referral based clients. All right, guys. So, that's basically how to start a credit repair business. I wanted to go over and let you guys know about the free training that Credit Repair Cloud offers. I recommend this to anyone that wants to start a credit repair business because it's a free workshop that helps you start and scale a credit repair business. So it's really important if you guys want to start and get going on that. Uh, I'm going to be making more videos on how to start a credit repair business from home, just like I am. I want to go over credit repair marketing, credit repair um, Facebook ads. I want to be going over all that. So make sure that you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think of this video, as this is my first YouTube video. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Later.